as I believe, so does actually this wonderful family of my doctors here as well, Dr. Trasi and Shefali. What is natural and what is your own, you can't replace it. You can enhance it. आप उसे और खूबसूरत बना सकते हैं, उसकी longevity बढ़ा सकते हैं, लेकिन जो आपको कायनात ने, भगवान ने दिया है, उसको ख्याल रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, because वो जो एक बार चले जाए वो वापस नहीं आ सकता. So health and fitness, most important thing, love yourself. I mean love yourself. Eat right, sleep right, drink a lot of water, और जहाँ पे मौका मिले वेट ट्रेनिंग की जगह योगा कीजिए. And I say that to everyone because जो हेल्थ आपके अंदर से आती है वो आप बाहर को कितना भी तराश लीजिए, that health is important. And as you start getting older, you realize that people will look at your lines and they'll say, "Arey, age is showing, yeah, skin is looking bad, yeah, today, you know, it's looking." But if you are happy inside, if you are healthy inside, even at 50, you will beam health. And then it's okay for lines to show up. This is an experience nobody's going to survive. We're all go through it, but you go through it happy. So health and fitness, most important. Don't spend money, spend time on it. Because the idea today is everybody thinks, ye wala gym, utta bada, you know, this trainer, that this. Spend time on it. Understand your body is different, your DNA is different. And then choose your doctors carefully. Because you've got to connect with someone who says, देखो, I can do 50 things on you. That's not a problem. लेकिन इससे आपको खुशी नहीं मिलेगी, इससे आपको longevity नहीं मिलेगी. ये अभी दरकार है, करवा लीजिए. I have to tell you this incident. In the Linking Road clinic, where I used to go, I'm a regular there. I used to find all these new brides to be. सब line में लगे हुए हैं and they've all come there. Everyone's getting 20 different treatments done because they're getting married. That's the only time I see Dr. Trasi saying, yes, you can do all 50 things. You can also do all 50 things because it is that one moment in your life where you want everything to be perfect.
And that is the day when world sees you.
Exactly. That's the only time. So I always go to her chamber and मैंने बोला आपको उस दिन, आपने तो मुझे मना कर दिया. So she says, शादी हो रही है? नहीं हो रही है. So फिर जब होगी, I will get all 50 done for you too. So yeah, I've had some very special moments with her, and I also want to mention her entire family. Her husband, who's my boyfriend. I always call him my boyfriend. Yeah,
Suresh, come.
Yes. Their boyfriend. Come on. He's always behind like that. He never shows himself, and he's. Whenever Dr. Trasi is not there, he's the one in charge. He's just always making sure nothing ever goes wrong with me. It's too cute. Her entire staff, एक अच्छे इंसान की पहचान जो लोग उनके साथ काम करते हैं उनसे होती है. Her entire staff is just as dedicated, as focused as she is, and again very large-hearted. I feel really, really excited because this was her dream and I can't believe we're sitting here. She had all these plans and every time she told me I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, and I want Shefali to be heading this. Today sitting here and seeing it actualize feels very, very good.
जैसे आपने कहा कि नॉर्मली लोग जिम में जाते हैं, ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं, बड़े बड़े ट्रेनर्स होते हैं, लाखों रुपए खर्च करते हैं. सो बॉलीवुड में तो एक फैशन हो गया है, इंडस्ट्री से बिलोंग करती है.
अरे उससे भी आगे बात ये है कि मैं खुद एक स्टूडियो खोलने जा रही हूँ. but